Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video here at 88 Rotors Off-Road, and welcome back to our shop. We have a Tundra compilation today, starting off with this 3rd generation Tundra that we're installing a Fox 2.5 Performance Elite Series setup with some Cambered Kinetic Series billet uniball upper control arms on with Old Man Emu rear lift springs. For the wheels and tires on this one, we're going with some 18x9 zero offset TE37s with some 35, 12.5, 18 Nito Ridge grapplers. We're doing a heritage grill swap on this front end right here also, and some amp research electric side steps. 88 Rotors is a shop located here in sunny Southern California. We're about 20 minutes east of downtown Los Angeles in California, USA. If you're looking to get some work done by us, please reach out to us anytime by phone during our regular business hours, or you can always message us by clicking on the link in the description and going to our contact form. The new suspension setup has been installed and aligned. New wheels and tires are on. Front heritage grille has been installed, and the amp steps have also been installed. We're going to bring it out now for a quick test drive. If you guys aren't local to us and still want to take advantage of our deals, check us out at 88rotorsoffroad.com. We know how tricky and confusing it may be when piecing a lift kit together. So we've pieced them together for you, usually pre-packaged, pre-adjusted, and pre-assembled, ready to be installed. So check us out at 88rotorsoffroad.com to take advantage of our deals. Next up, we have this 2nd generation Toyota Tundra in magnetic gray metallic that we're doing a body mount job on. For the suspension, we're going with the iBox Stage 2R lift setup with rear lift shackles and elevate upper control arms with the caps. For the wheels and tires on this one, we're going with an 18x9 plus 20 5x150 matte black Feel Vector wheels that we're wrapping up in a set of Toyo Open Country AT3s in a 35 12.5 18 and made possible by doing our body mount job. Next up, we have this 3rd generation Tundra TRD Pro. This one is coming in for a Westcott Designs preload collar lift setup. He's not yet ready to ditch the factory Fox suspension, so we're retaining it and adding the Westcott kit on it to gain about 2.5 inches of lift in the front and 1 inch in the rear. We're keeping the OEM Plus look on this one, so we're keeping the factory BBS TRD Pro wheels and upsizing the tires to a 35 12.5 18 Toyo Open Country AT3. Next up, we have another Ice Cap Tundra Platinum. This one is in for a Fox 2.5 Performance Elite Series, just kidding, Old Man Emu MT64 setup. As you can see, this is a one-take recording. Anyway, this right here is the OME MT64 3-inch suspension lift setup with the upper control arms. Standard weight for both front and rear gives you about 3 inches of front lift and 2 inches in the back. We did our horn chop to clear the 37-inch tires. 37 12.5 17 Toyo Open Country RT Pros were installed on a set of RRW RR7V 17x8.5 wheels with the matte black face and the gloss black simulated beadlock rings. Next one up here is a 3rd gen Tundra. This one is in Lunar Rock that we're installing a Fox 2.5 Performance Elite Series with billet upper control arms. We're doing the OME rear lift springs on this one as well. We hope that you guys are enjoying the video so far, and if you do so, please find time to click on that thumbs up and give us a like. It makes a big difference for this video and the channel itself, and it definitely encourages us to make more videos like this for your viewing pleasure. Next one up here is a 3rd gen Tundra in MGM. We just installed a Westcott Designs preload collar lift setup on it. Up next, we have another 2nd gen Tundra that we just installed a Fox 2.5 Performance Elite Series DSC setup on with some cambered tubular X-joint XL upper control arms on with rear lift shackles. We're doing a body mount chop on this one also to clear some 35-inch tires. And another 3rd gen Tundra in for a king suspension setup, Eibach rear lift springs and some upper control arms. Wheel of choice here are the RRW RR5 S wheels in matte black. This one's getting a set of 35-inch tires, Toyo Open Country AT3s mounted and balanced on them as well. The Fox setup is now complete on the 2nd gen, and we're rolling it out with some new Method MR305s in bronze on them with some 35-inch tires. And here's another popular 2nd gen Tundra with the Fox 2.5 Performance Elite Series with cambered tubular X-joint upper control arms. The owner of this vehicle did not want to do a body mount chop, so we're running the 17 by 8.5 0 offset RRW RR7Vs with the matte black face and the gloss black simulated beadlock ring with some 285/75/17 tires on them. Want a set of RRW wheels for your vehicle? Check us out at 88rotorsoffroad.com and use promo code YouTube, that's YOUTUBE, at checkout to get $100 off a set of 4 RRW wheels. Let's throw in another King package before we leave you guys today. Here's a 3rd gen Tundra in for a King 2.5 remote reservoir coilovers and shock setup with cambered kinetic billet uniball upper control arms in King Blue. For the rear, we're lifting it with a set of Old Man Emu lift springs also. For the new shoes on this one, we're going with the also popular RRW RR7V wheels in a 17 by 8.5 size with the 0 offset. We're wrapping it up in a 35 12.5/17 Toyo Open Country TRD Pro. And this is pretty much going to wrap it up for today's video, guys. We greatly appreciate it as always. Thank you very much for tuning in. Make sure to comment, like, share, and subscribe. And if you haven't already, turn on that notification bell. That way you'll get alerted the next time we post another video and some awesome deals and promo codes. Until next time, take care, guys.